buddy. I guess he wants to release himself. Come on. Gotta watch out for that guy right there. Okay, I didn't get the catch on tape, on sound. Mm. 3 pounds, 15 ounces, just a ounce shy of 4 pounds. That was awesome. Come on, little bass. Ow. All right. Still a small one, not the monsters I'm after, but still a bass. Beautiful sunset, beautiful fish. Fishing out of my Ultra Skiff 360. Love it. Another one. He ain't no monster. It's a fish. And it's a little bass. Grow up and be big. Pretty little thing. There's one. Nice one. Yeah, it's a nice fish. At least it feels nice anyway. You fought like a 4-pounder to bring up a 1-pounder. Beautiful fish though. Thank you for the opportunity. Okay. First fish out of the Ultra Skiff. He's got a little bass. Beautiful specimen. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, it got off right there.
Oh no.
Well, he ain't a beast, but he hit it as soon as it hit the water. That was a little jump. There's a little jump. Another little bass. Thank you. Not a monster, I got one. There you go. Not as big as the blue one. Not a member of the Beastie Boys, but he's a decent little 2.5 pounder. From the Ultra Skiff.